turn black over Kerrville town. 30 inches of rain coming pouring down. The Guadalupe is rising, she's running fast and lean, with no trees left to slow her down, the meanest water you've seen. If